Hey guys, James and Mark here with another video. Today we are at the Grand Californian Hotel here at Disneyland, and we've been invited to preview the Napa Rose restaurant, which neither of us have ever been to.
No,
ever.
Well, they were closed for about a year to renovate, so we were invited to come to their sneak preview before they open to the public.
Yeah, I think today is Tuesday, and then I think they open on Friday, if I'm not mistaken. We were treated or welcomed with a glass of champagne, and they've already came around with a couple of tray passes. The most delicious thing I had so far was the caviar, but it's just because it's caviar.
Caviar wrapped in some lobster thing?
Yes.
Oh,
Your ears were burning. I was just talking.
I'm here to deliver spring rolls.
Okay,
Oh,
I'll
okay.
take one.
Pickled
Yes.
daikon, portobello mushroom. I grew all this in Minnie's garden. No, I didn't.
Oh, I believe
no,
you.
No, our chef. No, I did not say that. I'm not.
So cutely wrapped.
Now, James, you're Vietnamese, so if you want to compare
Yeah,
the spring roll.
I'll let you know.
This is a
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
A lot of pickled daikon really wakes up the palate.
Nice and light. Perfect for a tray pass. Fingers aren't messy. I like all the textures actually. It's pretty good. So we're in this like lounge area. It's kind of like secluded from the rest of. I would guess there's probably like 50 people here. But we were invited to just hang out in the lounge, and then later on we're gonna have like I guess the formal tasting. That's where all our stuff is actually. So we're just gonna hang out here for a little bit. See how many. This is our third glass. Third glass? I don't know. As soon as it's empty, someone's already here. Let's test it.
Oh, down it.
I'm gonna down it. A little classy. Okay, so let's see. Let's see how long it takes before someone comes. All right, it's been 2 minutes, and look, pretty much back to where we started. All right, we are back from the Napa Rose preview event, and they actually sent us home with this little parting gift, so I'm gonna open it. See what's inside. I think some people thought maybe chocolate, maybe a t-shirt. We shall see. Almost there. All right, we got it. Oh. Oh my God, someone was shaking it violently earlier, and I hope it's engraved. How nice. Look, it's a Napa Rose wine glass for the date 2/3/26. It says James on it. How cool is that? Thank you, Disneyland. Thank you, Disney, for hosting me and Mark for an incredible dinner. We really enjoyed it. If you guys haven't been to Napa Rose, it's an experience to remember. I think some of the highlights were definitely that starting course with the mushroom cappuccinos, I think what they called it. Apparently that was like a popular dish that they had prior to the renovation, and the chef really wanted to include it in this new era, I guess you could call it. So I was really glad to see that, because I can see why people would probably be disappointed if they took that off the menu. That was amazing. The swordfish was really tender, still meaty, but just perfect consistency, I'd say, for a swordfish. And then surprisingly, the dessert was amazing. I'm not a big sweet tooth person, but I ate the entire thing with no regrets. So definitely check them out. I guess you need to make reservations in advance if you want kind of more of the coursed meal experience. Otherwise, there is a lounge area where you can get a lot of the items a la carte and still enjoy all of the varietal wines that they have on hand. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Cheers!